Shopkins website. This here is going to be ice sliding down this ice machine. Watch. It goes down the little slot and it comes out in this cup. That's how we do it in the refrigerator. This is the top refrigerator that night animals come to check off their names at night when the Shopkins are sleeping. This is the inside of the Shopkins refrigerator. This is Cream. This is Sam. This is Lettuce. And this is Ice. That's his name because he is an ice cube. These are the little eggs and they go back and forth. It's a little seesaw for them. And they can come out because they're really tiny. And this refrigerator is pretty big, so we fit a lot of stuff. We fit some stuff here, there, and there. And this is Frosting's pillow. Pictures behind her. I know it's just a picture, but I'm pretending that it's a little Shopkin holder. And this is the food checkoff. Where all the food gets checked off. And in here we keep all kinds of food in here, like toothpaste. I know it goes somewhere else. This is mint. This is GB. This is chip. And we have one little drawer that has frosting in it and pasta in it. Her name is Frosting. This name is Pasta. Thank you for joining the video, and if you have any questions, please answer at the last video of Shopkins.com.